Appreciation Night here in Baseball Town. The national colors are presented this evening by the Marine Corps League of Berks County Color Guard. And now, fans, please welcome Allie Bell for the performance of our national anthem. Ladies and gentlemen, Allie Bell, thank you. And also our thanks to the Marine Corps League of Berks County Color Guard and MP Arthritis for their participation in tonight's pregame